Hey, you guys, my name is Brittany, and I love you. I want you. I need you to press the subscribe button, you guys. Hit the bell on the side to get notified when I upload new videos and share this video with everyone, y'all. Y'all, today I got Panda Express, one of my favorite joints. I'm going to say my prayers, and we're going to get right into this video, y'all. Amen. Yes, y'all, I'm drinking Sprite today. And I got broccoli and beef right here. Yeah, I hope y'all like that little intro. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Yeah, I'm so hungry. But yeah, y'all, I came up with a little intro. I hope y'all like it. No, I'm not. I don't think I'm a singer or anything, but I do like to sing, so I thought that'd be nice to put a little singing in my intro. And then those my lyrics. I wrote a song, just sitting in my car, wrote a song about my husband. And I say, that sounds good to put on my channel, y'all. So I hope y'all like it. If not, it's okay. But I think I am gonna do it every time. Y'all, I got some rice, some noodles, some black pepper chicken, and some steak. I hope I did I say that already? Not sure, y'all. And this is just some chili sauce I'm opening up. And this is hot mustard sauce, y'all. Put a little bit on there. And this is a chicken egg roll, you guys. That's good. Yeah, I know I got cream cheese one time. Oh, I love those. Yeah, I'm starving. It's so good. I hope y'all having a great day. It's Friday, you guys. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. Let me bring this back. Yeah, I just want to eat. Yeah, they open at 10:30. I made it there for like 10:22. So I was sitting in the parking lot waiting. And it's so good, y'all. Y'all probably can tell the way I'm chewing, if y'all can hear that. I know y'all can hear that chewing. I'm all on this food. All on this food, you guys. Mm. So good. It's tender too. I was about to say I didn't give y'all a bite, but I did give y'all some egg roll. Okay. Y'all get some steak too. Okay. There y'all go. Mm-hmm. I gotta get into this black pepper chicken. Mm. Oops. I got some chopsticks right here, y'all. I'm gonna use them for a little while just so I won't make all that noise. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, don't mind me. This food's so good. And that Sprite is wrong. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Oh yeah, I thought we didn't know my chopsticks. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. I hope y'all have a great weekend. We supposed to get a little rain, but we'll see. Wrong way. Mm-mm. This Sprite's so good. Oh, I think the noodles be filling me up, y'all. Oops. Trying to get some onions. I was so hungry. I thought I was about to tear all this food up, you guys. But I'm getting full. Yeah, I'm gonna try Zaddy Chunk Chunk quadruple Big Mac challenge. I'm not sure if I can eat all 4 of them, but I'm gonna give it a try. Well, you guys, yeah, at the end of my videos when I'm full, I'll be like, well, you guys, but I ain't gonna do that, y'all. Oh, so full. Well, you guys, that's the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed it, thumbs it up, subscribe, push that button, you guys. Hit the bell on the side to get notified when I upload new videos, and share this video with everyone, y'all. Excuse me. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Love you guys.